Hi guys, this is Blender 2.93, and if you see here, this is the model of the head, but you'll see also that I'm layering you see here that there is that one here, there is the first layer, but I want also to add another layer, so I'm gonna add another layer is just only to put faces, of course. So this is now the second layer, this is the first layer, that cover there. Maybe you ask why you do that. It's because edges here, edge and faces is also the first faces, which is so flat. So I want to make a new faces for another layer. So this is how it looks like in the side view. By the way, you can of course mirror this like that. But I show you already how to layer is only to extrude another vertices. These are the vertices here that I click here. These are the vertices. These are extruded from the second layer, and that's why I've got this second layer or the second faces. And just the same as this, I want to now it's like that. See. And there's a two. But you can always erase, of course, the first layer if you want, because you see it's flat there. I didn't extrude that. That's why it looked like that. And for me, not a problem to do so like this, because yeah, sometimes I'm too lazy to erase and leave that leave that for vertices, and just a little bit like that. But to make sure that there is no overlap, then I would rather advise that better to remove the first layer of faces if you encountered overlapping. I make big. Like that. And just like that head. So it can be just like this, like that. The form. And that is the front view only in the right side. And now you see how I make for that layered faces. But of course you can always delete what is behind. You can see with this, see this one, this is the first layered. It's hard to see with that x-ray, but that's how it look like. You see, that is it. You see this here, there. Not any time you want to delete that there, so you can delete that. Then make another layer. As you see that it's already deleted at the back. See, it's already no more. And this one, because that is float, so if there is anything that is weird, you have to remove, because if you want to do for the UV map, then I would advise you have to remove it, because it's not advisable. But if you just leave it at this, leave it. You can always leave for that. So it's just like that, guys. Now no more. It's only first year. And so that's it. Only the side view. The ear, again, I'm gonna make my ear for that next time. So by the way, that's how I show you for this single right view. By the way, this is cube 8. This is cube 8. And we'll see you next time once again, guys. And this is how to model the um, head. But this is not a full tutorial. There's a lot of people who are making it, and you can follow. But this is how I only show you the head of this, and also how to overlap with the first layered faces. And this is my scope head, and it look like this, only the half. Thank you for watching, guys.